Hello viewers, today I'm attempting to repair a warped... You know, if this is that daggone emergency alert thing again, I'm gonna have an outburst. Hello?
Stand by for an emergency message from CT Alert.
In an effort to continue to provide the city of Bridgeport with accurate information, Mayor Ganim will continue to live stream on Facebook at Bridgeport CT tomorrow and Friday from 12:30 p.1p.
Press 1 to confirm receipt. 2 to replay this message. To unsubscribe from notifications from this organization,
Press
0.
This is the third time they've called, and I don't even live in the Bridgeport. Anyways, so... forgot where I was. I'll just start over. Hello viewers, today I will be attempting to repair a warped fan blade. This is the blade from the Lasco Ultra Force box fan, and this is the blade I have not yet repaired, and you can see that the leading edge of the blade is almost in line with the trailing edge of the blade. And that's a problem. It should be like this. So I just took a heat gun and applied some heat to the blades, and this one I repaired, and you can see it's far from perfect, but I think performance wise this will work much better. So I have to perfect the process and do some more experimentation, but I'll just show what I did here on one blade, and then we're going to give it a performance test. I'm putting this stuff on here just to have some weight on here when I do this. So what I did here is I have it, a heat gun, and I'm going to turn this on. And I have this random piece of scrap plastic, and I'm going to push down on the blade right about here. And I'm going to use a fair bit of force. I'm going to apply the heat onto the edge of the blade only. And I'm going to sit it here for a little while. I'm going to increase the temperature to about 300 degrees. Now, this isn't even in the frame. I'm going to increase the temperature of the blade to about 300 degrees, and it is going to liquefy the surface of the plastic. And I'm going to press down on here pretty hard. I'm going to heat this up for maybe 45 seconds or so. I'm judging it based off when I see the surface of the plastic liquefy. I don't think you'll be able to see that on the camera given the angle. But we're getting there now. I'm going to go slowly down here. It is liquefying at this point. Slowly going to go across here. Going a little too hard in that one spot right there. Give this another 10 or 15 seconds. And I'm going to switch to cool. I'm going to hold this here as it dries, or cools, whatever. I guess it's doing both, really. Okay, now let's take a look at what we have now. Unfortunately, I went a little bit too hot right there, and I kind of discolored the plastic a bit. But you can see now the warpage has been removed. Now, of course, this is not perfect, and this blade was not usable to begin with. That's why I'm kind of experimenting on it a bit. So So it's definitely better than it was. It's not perfect. This is not a flawless answer to the problem. But I think it made it a fair bit better. So I'm going to put this back onto the fan, and let's see how it performs. Now, one of a few things could happen. It may stay like this for a couple of days, and then over time it'll go back to where it was. Or that process could take several years like it did originally. I don't know. It also could have gone substantially out of balance. I'm not sure what to really expect here. So I'm going to put the guard back on for comparative purposes, and then I'll pick back up on the video. It definitely moves more air now, but it's not perfect because for one it's out of balance, but it's also making a very annoying sound. At least one of the blades is. I don't know if you'll be able to hear that on the camera or not. So it wasn't a total fail, but it wasn't really a success either. I still don't consider this usable.